Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy, so when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.